Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Bardhan and in today's Prelims Word session we will discuss an important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on Manas National Park and Grass Nursery Initiative. So, so today's article is about Manas National Park grassland loss because Manas National Park lost near about 60% of its grassland over the past 35 years and a state compensatory afforestation fund management planning to revive the lost grassland over 7.5 bigha with financial support from CAMPA and Assam Manas National Park Authority. So why we have chosen this article? We have chosen this article mainly because UPSC has tendency to ask questions from national park and tiger reserve. So as you can see, in 2019 UPSC preliminary exam, UPSC asked a question on national park and climatic zone. So national park is very important for UPSC prelims perspective. So now we see the context of this article. So Assam National Park, Manas National Park has established first grass nursery with the support of the State Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority, which is State CAMPA, to restore grassland over 60% of which has been lost in the last 35 years. So, to restore grassland of the last 35 years, government uh, Assam, Assam Manas National Park with a state government CAMPA, a state CAMPA planning to restore 60% of the grassland through this project. Now we'll see about grass nursery initiative. So objective of the grass nursery initiative is restoration of the degraded grassland and dependent wildlife habitats. And who is the implementing agency? So Assam Environment and Forest Department and Manas National Park Authority are the implementing agency of this project. And for funding, a state CAMPA, which is Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority, help with funding section. Help with funding. Then we'll see geographical and hydrological profile of Manas National Park. So Manas National Park located in foothill of the eastern Himalayas in western Assam and with how about transboundary link. So Manas National Park adjoins Bhutan Royal Manas National Park. So India's Manas National Park and joins Bhutan Royal Manas National Park. So river system, Manas River flow through the park. So these kind of fact which is related to which river flows in the national park or which river flow adjacent to national park is very important fact for preliminary examinations. So now we'll see topography, ecological junction of sub-Himalayan Bhabar Terai and Himalayan subtropical broadleaf. So these are the Himalayan sub-Himalayan Bhabar Terai and Himalayan subtropical broadleaf forest are the topographical feature of Manas National Park. Now we'll see institutional conservation status of Manas National Park. Manas National Park multiple carries multiple designations. Manas National Park carries designation of national park, core area of tiger reserve, elephant reserve, biosphere reserve, and important birdline area and UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, which is given in 1985. So, Manas National Park carries multiple designations. Now let's see about flora and fauna of Manas National Park. So, Manas National Park carries from fauna section, I mean for animal section, Manas National Park is the home of pygmy hog, haspid hare, golden langur, red panda, and wild buffalo, and gangetic dolphin. Most importantly, so these kind of fact about fauna and flora is very important fact for preliminary examinations. Now we'll see about avian species. Bengal Florican and hornbill species are the common avian species found in Manas National Park. Now we'll see about vegetation. Four major vegetation type. Hulung is a dominant tree. Four major vegetation type exist in Manas National Park, and Hulung is the most dominant tree species. You can also attempt this question to further strengthen your preparation, and you can download complete PDF from our website. And for further preparation, please visit our YouTube channel and our website. Thank you.